Now let us learn about words of manner. Words of manner. We can already know the proverb as little drop make a ocean. Okay, little drop make a ocean. By learning little things, we can learn about a lot of big things. Okay, big things, a language. Okay, by learning simple steps, we can easily catch out the broad things. Okay, broad things. Okay, let us go to the class. Then here in this class we are going to see about words of manner. Okay, the first one is dheere dheere. The pronunciation is dheere dheere. The meaning is slowly. Okay, the meaning is slowly. Dheere dheere chalo, walk slowly. Okay, walk slowly. Dheere dheere chalo. Dheere dheere doodh pivo. Okay, drink the milk slowly. Okay, then the second one is tej. Tej. The pronunciation is tej. The meaning is fast. Okay, घोड़ा तेज चलता दौड़ता है. घोड़ा तेज चलता है means horse runs fast. Okay, then the third one, achanak. The pronunciation is achanak. The meaning is suddenly. अचानक उसका बाप स्कूल आ गए. अचानक उसका बाप, उसकी पिता स्कूल आ गए means suddenly his father went to the school. Suddenly his father went to the school to check his marks. Then the fourth one, jatpat. Okay, jatpat. Pronunciation is jatpat, immediately. Okay, when we are going to school, we have to go school for 9 o'clock till 8:50. The children are running here and there. Okay, children are running here and there. Don't putting their books in the bag. Okay, their mothers will always say immediately. Okay, when the auto comes, immediately the mother put all the things in the bag and pack up them. For that we are using here jatpat. Tayar ho jao. Jatpat tayar ho jao means start immediately. Then for the fifth one, anayas. Pronunciation is anayas. The meaning is easily. Okay, मैं आपको हिंदी अनायास सिखा सकती हूँ. आप मेरे वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप अनायास हिंदी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, बोल सकते हैं. When you are watching my video, you can speak Hindi easily. You can speak Hindi easily while watching this video. Okay, then the sixth one, dhyan se. Pronunciation is dhyan se. Here carefully. See, carefully. Okay, carefully. Okay, बच्चे खेलते समय ध्यान से खेलना चाहिए. बच्चों को खेलते समय ध्यान से खेलना चाहिए. Okay, ध्यान से means carefully. While playing in the ground, the children should be play carefully. Then the seventh one is teak. The pronunciation is teak. The meaning is right or correct. Okay, मेरी माँ मुझे कहती है तुम बड़ी चतुराई हो. मैं मेरी माँ की जवाब देती हूँ कि मैं ठीक हूँ. If my mom asks me everything, I am always saying that I am all right. I am correct. Okay, I am correct. Then the eighth one is ha. Ha. The pronunciation is ha. The meaning is yes. Meaning is yes. While taking and attendance in the class, the students always saying that yes sir, yes sir. We can hear the noise of the children, sounds of the children, that yes sir. In Hindi we can say that ha. Ha. Okay. While जब मैं मेरी सहेली की घर जाती हूँ, मेरी सहेली मुझे पूछती है तुमको कापी या दूध चाहिए, मैं बोलती हूँ हाँ मुझे मिठाई चाहिए, मुझे दूध चाहिए. इसी तरह हमको कहना है. Then the ninth one is नहीं. नहीं. Pronunciation is नहीं. The meaning is no. Meaning is no. While in खाते समय, in खाना खाते समय सभी लोग कटुआ खाना को नहीं चाखते हैं. कटुआ means bitter. Okay, bitter things we cannot eat any time. Children always hate the bitter things. Okay, here they always say that nahi, nahi, no, I don't want. Okay, then the 10th one, beshak. The 10th one is beshak. The pronunciation is beshak. The meaning is undoubtful. Undoubtful. Okay, the meaning is undoubtful. We can say सचिन मैच को बेशक जीते हैं. अनडाउटफुली. ओके, अनडाउटफुली सचिन तेंदुलकर मैच जीत गए. और धोनी. ओके, धोनी बेशक मैच जीत गए means धोनी won the match undoubtfully. Undoubtfully. Okay, then we are going to the 11th one. 11th one is such. Such. Such means pronunciation is such. The meaning is truth. Is it so? Is it so? Okay. Why? जब खेलते समय बच्चे एक लड़का लड़की की मिठाई को छीनता है, हम उसको पूछते हैं कि सच बोलो. Say the truth. We can ask him, say the truth. Why you are beating her? Why you are beating her? Okay, like that. Then the 12th one. 12th one is क्योंकि. क्योंकि. Pronunciation is क्योंकि. Meaning is because. Meaning is because. क्योंकि मुझे सरदर्द है, मुझे गर्म पानी चाहिए. मुझे गर्म पानी चाहिए क्योंकि मुझे सरदर्द है. I am suffering from headache and throat pain. Okay, I want hot water. I want hot water. Then the 13th one, किस लिए. किस लिए. Pronunciation is किस लिए. Here for what. For what. किस लिए आप मिठाई चाहते हैं. ओके, किस लिए आप मिठाई चाहते हैं. For what purpose you are asking chocolates. For what purpose. Then the 14th one, इसलिए. इसलिए. Okay, pronunciation is इसलिए. The meaning is therefore. Meaning is therefore. मेरी घर यहाँ से दूर है, इसलिए मैं ऑटो में जाती हूँ. ओके, इसलिए मैं ऑटो में जाती हूँ means my house is long distance from here, so I want a auto. Okay, for traveling purpose I am using auto. Then the 15th one, अतएव. Okay, अतएव means अतएव so. The meaning is so. When here धनी people उनकी धन को गरीबों को बांटते हैं. गरीबों को बांटते हैं. Here we can say rich people, they are having so much of money, so they can little much of money to the poor people. Little much of money to the poor people. Here the 16th one is B. B. Okay, the pronunciation B. Here also. Okay, here also. गाय के साथ binds B. Okay, गाय के साथ binds B. मैदान में आया. Okay, we can say it as, okay, in the ground we can see. Okay, we can see the cow and also the bullock. Then the 17th one is say. Say. The pronunciation is say. Here the meaning is from. Okay, मैं तिरची से आ रही हूँ. मैं मुंबई से आ रही हूँ. I am from Mumbai. Okay, I am from Chennai. Okay, for the from we have to use say. Okay, we have to use say. Then the 18th one here, tak. Tak. The pronunciation is tak. The meaning is till, until. Till, until. बारिश बंद होने तक हम बाहर नहीं जाते. Until the rain, okay, until the rain blows, we cannot go outside. Okay, we cannot go outside. Then the 19th one, here we can see the meaning is only, but we are having different types of 3 words. That is matra, keval, sirf. Okay, these are the words used only for only. Okay, matra, keval, sirf, the pronunciation. Okay, keval, sirf. Okay, मैं सिर्फ मिठाई चाहती हूँ. Okay, I want only chocolates. I want only sweets for that. Sirf. Here also keval and also for matra we can use in the other sentences. Then the 20th one we can see aur. We can see aur, evam, tada. The pronunciation is aur, evam, tada. The meaning is only and. Okay. Ram aur Rahim aaye. Ram aur Rahim aaye means Ram and Rahim came to her. Okay, came to her. Ram aur Rahim aaye. Here also we can say dresses like sari. Sari tada chudidar. मैं पहनूंगी. Sari tada chudidar मैं पहनूंगी means I can wear sari and chudidar. Okay, like that. See, these are the words used for manners. We can use it in any places where it is necessary and we can use it in the respective places. Okay, understand? Is it clear?